Want to brighten up your photo? Here's how to adjust the exposure in BeFunky. First, open your photo in the BeFunky editor. On the left toolbar, select the exposure tool under the edit section. You'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the exposure of the image. Slide it right to brighten the photo or left to darken it. BeFunky also offers several other options to tweak the shadows, highlights, and contrast for finer control. Once you have achieved the perfect brightness, hit apply to confirm the changes. Increasing exposure can help bring out details in dark areas, while reducing it can create moodier and more dramatic images. How do you usually adjust your photo's exposure? Let me know if you prefer brighter or darker image in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.